about 5 to 10, and I'm starting the vlog a little bit late because I am doing something really cool which nobody really cares about other than me, because I'm in the journalism program, but I'm actually about to get on a call with like the top financial columnist for the Globe and Mail. He's going to help me answer some of my questions for a paper that I'm writing, which I think is so cool. Sorry, it's so hard having a phone and it is crazy in here. Oh, it's so crazy. So anyways, I am going to give him a call right now, and then I've got to rush to school and do my internship. So today, I don't know, this is what I was like worried about with the vlog. I have a lot, and then I babysit tonight. So it's not gonna be like filled with Christmassy stuff. It's gonna be like a little bit of another day in the life, but that's okay. I hope you like my life and like coming along the journey. Hopefully something interesting will transpire today. But yeah, okay, let me do this. Okay, I'm going to head to school now and maybe pick up a coffee. Gotta do some filming, which I can probably show you. It's a part of our job. It's actually like one of my least favorite because you have to basically try and get strangers to talk to you. And I don't care about going up to strangers, but usually they don't want to talk to me. So anyways, okay, I'm gonna head it now. I have like a weird headache. I hope today is better than it's already started out to be. Say hi, Manisa. This is Manisa. We're working on a project, which I'm obviously not showing you because I didn't film it because people would not go on camera for us. They would run away. We literally had to struggle. Like, it's like we were harassing them. I know, people were like literally running away from us because they didn't want to talk about, oops, things. Anyways, we have to upload footage and then hopefully I can go home. Well, go to my internship. I'm really hot, actually, right now. Okay, another check-in from the car. I just arrived at my internship, and part of why I haven't picked up the camera is I had like a raging headache, and I haven't had a headache in so long. I don't know why my camera keeps zooming in. I haven't had a headache in so long, and today I just had a rager. And so I ended up going through Tim Hortons drive-thru to get a bottle of water and a tea, because sometimes when I get a really bad headache, I feel extremely nauseous, and I was starting to get nauseous, and I have to be here. It's like I'm ending my internship this week, so I don't want to not go on my last 2 days. So anyways, I am going to get out of the car. I can get the keys out, get out of the car and head in there, work for a bit, and then I'm actually gonna go to, I think I mentioned this earlier, I'm gonna go to my mom's house and babysit, which I won't be able to film that, so there'll be kind of a gap in my day, unfortunately, but sometimes it just is what it is. And I think I'm gonna take the kids to the mall, which I won't really, again, be able to film, but anyways, I'm just filling you in on my day. But yeah, so I'm gonna stop jibber-jabbering and head in there.
One eternity later.
Hello, I have not forgotten about you all. It's almost 10 o'clock, and I've come home from shopping, put kids to bed, and now I'm here with Amy Lee as she is baking. But if I show you the kitchen, my mom will be mad. I'm gonna transcribe some footage for tomorrow, and then, oh, look at this zit, this one and this one, oh goodness, and then I'll be going home. I'm very tired, but I still have a lot of work to be done. What are you doing? Baking what kind of cookies?
Oh, just chocolate chips.
Chocolate chips.
Just a holiday classic.
Just a holiday classic. This is literally, this vlog has been all me just talking to the camera. I've done nothing cool. I'm so sorry, guys. Today's gonna be the worst vlog. Oh, there we go.
Kids, I don't want you to do this at home. Just leave it to the trained professionals. I have just put years Okay, I'm gonna teach you how to juggle. You just need some fluffy balls, but
Oh my gosh!
don't put it's like when we were kids.
That's why I said do it on the hardwood floors. Go ahead, do it. Oh my gosh, I'm literally crying.
How do I clean this up?
Oh, I'll help you. No. Take two.
Take two. Okay, this is why you use oranges instead of eggs, because even the most skillful jugglers have accidents. So when I was in grade 9, I learned how to juggle.
Oh, that's really good.
I'm gonna get to the ground. Wait, I have to show you my rendition, okay? So I'd start off. Okay. Ta-da!
Hey guys, it's 10:42 and I am at the McDonald's drive-thru because I have to pick up Andrew dinner. 10:42, and I still have not finished my paper edit, and I need to shower, and yeah, so it's gonna be a long one. I feel like Patty from A Pocketful of Sunshine and Roses. I'll link her channel down below. She's doing Vlogmas and she's been pulling some crazy all-nighters, and that's me now. Hi. Is it time to go to bed? Everyone, here's your nightly fix of Walter. Hi. Oh, you're so cute. I know, it's bedtime. I'm gonna end the vlog here because it is almost midnight and I have to still edit this and put it up. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you again tomorrow for Vlogmas Day 5. Right, Walter? Oh. Thanks, buddy. Good night.